If you like the idea of cleansing your digestive system but don't want to do it with extreme diets, laxatives, herbal teas, or colonics, there are many foods and lifestyle practices that can help improve digestion and relieve bloating, gas, and constipation. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 simple and easy ways to detox your body. 5 simple ways to detox your body. Number 1. Increase your daily fruit and vegetable intake. Strive to eat 3 or more servings of vegetables and 2 or more servings of fresh fruit every day at a minimum, but ideally a total of 8 to 10 servings a day. If fresh produce isn't available, frozen produce is the next best option. Some examples include lettuce, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, green beans, squash, lettuce, artichokes, kale, spinach, Swiss chard, blueberries, grapes, oranges, and strawberries. People with certain digestive conditions may benefit from vegetables that are higher in soluble versus insoluble fiber, such as carrots, squash, sweet potatoes, beets, parsnips, rutabagas, and turnips. Number 2. Try probiotic-rich foods. Foods that are rich in beneficial live microorganisms, called probiotic bacteria, may help to enhance digestion, support the immune system, decrease inflammation, and improve the ratio of beneficial to potentially harmful bacteria in the gut. 2 of the most common strains of probiotics are Lactobacillus acidophilus in the small intestine and Bifidobacterium bifidum in the large intestine. Although probiotics are available in the supplement form, they can also be found in kefir and yogurt, including those made from coconut, rice, soy, and other non-dairy milks, kombucha, kvass, and fermented vegetables such as sauerkraut and kimchi. Number 3. Try these fiber-rich whole grains. Instead of white rice, bagels, plain bread, and pasta, try eating gluten-free grains such as brown rice, quinoa, not a true grain but an herb, steel-cut oats, millet, amaranth, buckwheat, and wild rice. Number 4. Drink more fluids. Water, along with soup, smoothies, and other fluids, is essential for optimal digestive function, yet most of us don't drink enough. It is especially important to drink enough fluids when increasing your fiber intake from fruit, vegetables, grains, and seeds. The color of your urine can be used as a guide. In general, pale yellow or straw-colored urine is an indication that you are getting enough fluids, but a lot depends on your diet, other health conditions, etc. Also, keep in mind that certain vitamins and foods can alter the color of urine, such as B vitamins and beets. Try herbal tea, green tea, lemon water, broth, and plain water. Number 5. Try flax seeds. Flax seeds are small seeds that can provide a wonderful combination of soluble and insoluble fiber that may help some people with either constipation or loose stools. The seeds are hard when whole, so they should be ground in a coffee or spice grinder or blender before being added to food. The mild, nutty flavor works well sprinkled on oatmeal or salads, and they can also be added to muesli, granola, baked goods, or even smoothies. In addition to the above methods, here are some other ways you can use to cleanse the body. Number 1. Contrast showers. The contrast between hot and cold water increases circulation, which helps to bring nutrients, oxygen, and immune cells to damaged and stressed tissues and carries away metabolic waste, inflammatory byproducts, and other toxic substances. Start with 3 minutes of hot water followed by less than 1 minute of cold water. Repeat this pattern at least once, always finishing with cold, e.g. 3 minutes hot, 1 minute cold, 3 minutes hot, 1 minute cold. Number 2. Psyllium. Psyllium is a dietary fiber that supports normal bowel function, cleanses the mucus lining of the intestines, and increases the bulk and softness of the stools. 1 teaspoon of psyllium powder can be stirred into at least 8 ounces of water. Drink immediately. Lastly, make sure you take precautions. Keep in mind that no one approach is right for everyone. If you are experiencing constipation, abdominal bloating, gas, and other symptoms, it's important to talk with your doctor. So, those are some of the ways you can detox your body and get rid of those toxins that have accumulated in your gut. If you have been using any of the methods we discussed above to detox your body,